Now we can begin reinstalling the cage face screws until the bottom latch bracket of the double door cage is present. Notice that there are different versions of the corner L brackets and T brackets. The wider versions are for the bottom of the cages along the base. The narrower versions are for the top and side locations. Now it is time to turn the bottom row of your arrangement over to be the right way up. Remember that the back edge of the base is not mechanically fastened to the cage, so you need to hold it against the cage as it's turned over until the weight is resting on it. Proceed to remove all cage face screws across the top of the first row, including the upper latch plates where the double doors are present. End top type T plates can now be installed loosely at either end of the first row.